Hey lab enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why contaminated air in the lab is so harmful? In any lab, experiments and processes often release toxic chemicals, volatile organic compounds, and biological agents into the air. Breathing in these contaminants can cause immediate health issues like headaches, dizziness, and respiratory irritation. Long-term exposure to contaminated air can lead to serious health problems, including chronic respiratory diseases, neurological disorders, and even cancer. Additionally, contaminated air can affect lab results, leading to inaccurate data and compromised experiments. That's why using effective ventilation systems like GD Waldner fume hoods is crucial. They remove harmful substances from the air inside the laboratory, protecting both you and your research. GD Waldner fume hoods are designed to ensure optimal air quality, maintaining a safe and healthy laboratory environment. Remember, clean air isn't just about comfort, it's essential for safety and scientific integrity. Choose GD Waldner for reliable protection. Stay safe, stay efficient, stay healthy. Choose GD Waldner.